A lot of our decisions weren't necessarily the best business decisions along the way, but they were the best family decisions. When we came to Adelaide, we decided we wanted to buy our own business. There was a stall in the Central Market called Barossa Fine Foods, which was for sale, and it suited very much who we were and our heritage. We've been butchering as a family since 1924. And so we decided that we would take Barossa Fine Foods on as our business. For a short while, just we're trying to sell other people's products, and we found that it wasn't as good as what we wanted it to be and consistent. So we decided that we would start to make our own. Mum and Dad had a small kitchen here on the farm. We decided to just make a few of the fundamental simple products that we could. We tried to be that extra ingredient, that bit of home or that bit of special that really people appreciate. You grow and you learn from mistakes, you grow and you learn from when people say things, and you can't adapt and change things if you don't get critique. Either you're an expert in what you do, or you get an expert to what you do. Not that you shouldn't take risks, but the risks you do take should be ones you can manage. Our work is what drives us as a family together because we have a joint goal. We're only here for the customer, and we try to make that a unique proposition. We try very hard to make sure that everybody that works with us, that they feel part of the team. Any joy or any compliments we get belong to the people that make the product, make the people that have the ideas, because if we don't all share in that, then it's a fairly shallow dream. Value your business well, be honest in your business, because if you're honest, people around you have to be more honest. I'm Franz Knoll, Managing Director of Barossa Fine Foods.